Okay, dear students, welcome to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the positive feedback system. As we have discussed on the last class, that it is our positive feedback system in which the feedback is provided and that is added in the input. There is a no phase shift in the output and input. Suppose this is the input signal and we are getting the output signal that is not shifted and that is like the input signal. So there is a zero phase difference between the input and the output in case of the positive feedback system. Now we will observe that the transfer function, what will be the positive feedback gain of the amplifier will be affected. Suppose if it is in the open loop system, then definitely the gain of the system will be A is equal to, that is the VO upon VI. Then what will be the gain if we apply the feedback network beta? Then we will calculate the transfer function of it and we will calculate the gain with closed loop system. Now suppose let us assume that a sine wave with input voltage Vs is applied at the input. Since the amplifier is non-inverting, output voltage Vo is in phase with the Vs. A feedback network feed the part of Vo to the input and the amount Vo feedback depend on the feedback network gain beta. So now here Vf will be, that will be the Vo beta, that is the Vo, and beta, that will be the feedback network, feedback voltage. Now if we do the derivation of it, then we see open loop gain A of the amplifier is the ratio of output voltage to the input voltage, and it is denoted by A is equal to Vo upon Vi when this amplifier is in open loop. Now by considering the effect of feedback, ratio of net output voltage Vo and the input supply voltage Vs, called as a closed loop gain AF, gain with feedback. So AF is equal to Vo upon Vs. That is denoted by equation number second. AF is equal to Vo upon Vs. Now, since the feedback is positive, the input to the amplifier is generated by adding Vf to the Vs. So the Vi will be, that will be the Vs plus Vf. If we add so we will get the Vi is equal to, that will be the Vs plus Vf. That indicate the Vi. Now the Vi is equal to Vs plus Vf, that is denoted by equation number third, depends on the feedback gain beta. जो हमने feedback gain beta दिया है, the value of the feedback voltage is varied by Vf is equal to beta Vo. Now from equation third and fourth we observe, by putting the value of Vf from equation 4 to equation third, यहाँ पर पुट करने के बाद we observe Vi is equal to Vs plus beta Vo, that is the Vi. Now from this we can see the Vs is equal to Vi minus beta Vo and Vs is equal to Vi minus beta Vo. Then the gain becomes from equation 2 and 5. अगर हम पांचवी इक्वेशन को ले लेते हैं एंड सेकंड इक्वेशन को ले लेते हैं, तो हमारा जो गेन होगा दैट विल बी द AF इक्वल टू VO अपॉन VS, और यहां पर हम इसकी वैल्यू को पुट कर देते हैं। तो अवर गेन विल बी AF इक्वल टू as given by equation number second VO upon VS, and VS is given by VI minus beta VO. So that will be the AF is equal to VO upon VI minus beta VO in place of the VS. We have place of the VS we put this value. Now by dividing the equation numerator and denominator by VI, we will get the VO upon VI upon 1 minus beta VO upon VI. So the closed loop के लिए जो हमारे पास गेन होगा that will be the A upon 1 minus A beta, that is the gain, where A beta is the loop gain. यहाँ पर जो A beta है हमारा that is the loop gain है, and if A beta is equal to 1 then AF becomes infinity, तब हमारा AF infinity हो जाता है. So we can say that we have seen what is the gain of the with positive feedback. It will increase because the value will be less than 1, and definitely the gain will increase. Now what is the oscillator? An electronic circuit used to generate the output signal with constant amplitude and constant desired frequency is called as an oscillator. जो हमारा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट कांस्टेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी की वोल्टेज और सिग्नल जनरेट कर रहा है मैग्नीट्यूड का, ऑसिलेटर कहलाता है. ऑसिलेटर इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द वेव फॉर्म जनरेटर which incorporates both active and passive elements. So we can say here that like it is the amplifier and it is the oscillator. In the amplifier we give the input signal and we get the output signal according to the gain of the amplifier. It is the DC power input for the component of the amplifier. Here in the oscillator, if in this positive feedback amplifier that we are using here, we remove the input. If no input is given or Vs is equal to 0 अगर हम यहाँ पर कर देते हैं, तो definitely it work like a oscillator. So that is written here that if we are removing the input, then DC power input is only for component supply biasing purpose, and we are getting the output of the desired frequency and amplitude का हमको output यहाँ पर मिल रहा है. Now the oscillator working के लिए Bar-Cosen criteria is as follows. The circuit will oscillate when the two conditions called as the Bar-Cosen criteria are met. These two conditions are: first, the loop gain must be unity or greater. जो loop gain है that is given by A beta, where A is the open loop amplification factor, beta is the feedback factor, that should be greater equal 1. That is the first condition कि हमारा जो A beta है that should be greater equal 1 हो. And now second important condition for the Bar-Cosen criteria is that the feedback signal feeding back at the input must be phase shifted by 360 degree. जो हमारा फीडबैक है टोटल अगर हम एक साइकिल कंप्लीट करते हैं तो ये दैट सेज दैट द आउटपुट यहाँ से लेकर जब हम शुरू कर रहे हैं और यहाँ पर वापस घूमकर हम यहाँ तक आ रहे हैं तो इसमें हमारा 360 का फेज शिफ्ट होना चाहिए. जनरली वी टेक द इन्वर्टिंग एम्पलीफायर, सो द 180 degree phase shift is provided by this inverting amplifier, and the arrangement is made so that 180 degree phase shift we make with this feedback network. In this manner we get the 360-degree feedback. So these are the two criteria that are called the Bar-Hussein criteria. So that is the most of the circuit inverting amplifier is used to produce the 180-degree phase shift, and the additional 180-degree phase shift is provided by the feedback network. At only one particular frequency, a tuned inductor capacitor circuit provides this 180-degree phase shift. So in this manner, we can say that the oscillator is a circuit that provides the output without any input. Now, in the next turn, we will study about the RC oscillator, फेज शिफ्ट ऑसिलेटर एंड वीन ब्रिज ऑसिलेटर के बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक्स.